Welcome to Think Starter class. Today we are going to take a look at the vocabulary of describing people. Before, we have learned hairstyle and eye colors, right? And now, let's take a look at page 61 and we can see more words about describing people. So the first one in exercise 3 is beard. So do you know what is beard? Beard, that means the hair grow on your face, like beard, right? We can see a lot of men have got beard, right? And earrings, what is earring? Earring, that means the little thing that we put on our ear. So a lot of girls have earrings, right? And what about the next one? Glasses. You see, I am wearing glasses. And the next one, mustache. Mustache means the hair grow on your lips, right? Okay, it's between the lips and your nose, like mustache. What about short? So short, that means not tall, right? Short. And smile. So we know what is smile, right? And number 7, tall. So we know tall. Now, let's take a look at the pictures and we can try to connect the pictures with the words here. Let's see. Number 1, it's beard, right? So beard, you can follow me, beard. So which picture is beard? That's right, it's picture A. What about number 2, earring? Earring. So which picture is earring? Right, so it's picture 2, right? And what about glasses? Number 3, glasses. Which picture is glasses? That's right, it's picture D, right? It's picture D. And what about the next one? Mustache. Mustache. So, which picture is mustache? Yes, it's picture 4. You see, mustache. And the next one, short. So which one is short? That's right, so it's picture G. And which one? Who has got a smile? You see? Yes, we know it's picture F, right? And the last one is tall. So which one is tall? Right, I am tall, right? So picture E is tall. All right, and now let's listen and then we can check our answers, okay? Please don't forget to read after the recording so we can know the correct pronunciation of the words. Now, let's do this.
A. Beard.
Beard.
B. Mustache.
Mustache.
C. Earring.
Earring.
D. Glasses.
Glasses.
E. Tall.
Tall.
F. Smile.
Smile.
G. Short.
Short. All right? Okay, so now let's take a look at the words one by one. And let's see, number 1, it's beard. Beard. So, beard, that means the hair like this. Okay, so this is beard. All right? And now, let's take a look at next one, mustache. Mustache. So, please pay attention here. 注意这的发音啊，它不是 mustache， 哎，这里的 ch 不发 k 也不发 ch 的音，它发的是 sh mustache， 并且它的重音呢在这里 ，OK mustache， all right， 哒哒是这样的发音 mustache。 What about next one? Earring. Earring. Okay, and what about this one? Glasses. Glasses. All right, you can follow me, glasses. And what about this one here? Tall. Tall, right? And let's see, what about this one? Short. Short. And now let's have a quiz, okay? You see here, this one Yes, we know they're glasses, right? She's wearing glasses. And we can say she wears glasses, right? And what about this one? So we know this is mustache, right? So we can say he's got a mustache, right? He's got a mustache. And what about this one? So we can say tall, right? And we can say she is tall. She is tall. And what about this one? Yes, that's earring. So we can say she's got an earring in her right ear. Okay? And what about this one here? So that's beard, right? And we can say he's got a beard. What is this girl like? Yes, she's short, right? So we can say she's short. Now, let's take a look at exercise 4, and we can take a look at these sentences. Now, let's put the sentence in the correct order. Now, let's see. She, glasses, wears. So what is the correct one? We can say she wears glasses, right? She wears glasses. What about number 2? Mustache, got a his. So we can say he's got a mustache, right? He's got a mustache. So which picture is that? Yes, that is picture B. He's got a mustache. What about number 3? Number 3, he's, beard, a, got. So we can say he's got a beard. So which picture is that? Yes, we remember it's picture A. And number 4, got, earring, right, she's, her, ear, and in. So what can we say about that? It's which picture? That's right. So we can say she's got an earring in her right ear. And that's picture C. And now let's take a look at number 5. Is not short. She, quite tall, she's. So we want to say she's quite tall, she's not short, right? So we can say she is not short, she's quite tall. Okay, actually we can put it in 2 sentences, right? 我们可以把它呀做成2句话。Alright, so now we finish with this part, right? And now let's listen to the recordings and then we can check our answers, okay?
Example.
She's got a very nice smile.
1,
She wears glasses.
2,
He's got a moustache.
3,
He's got a beard.
4,
She's got an earring in her right ear.
5,
She's not short, she's quite tall.
Alright, she's not short, she's quite tall. Okay, now let's take a look at exercise 5. So we can complete the dialogue with the missing words and then we can listen and check. Let's see A. I've got a new friend. His name's Eric. What does he look like? We can say he's got brown hair, blue what? And he wears what? Brown hair, blue, I think it's eyes, right? Blue eyes. And he wears glasses, right? Is he tall or what? Short, right? Is he tall or short? He isn't very tall. Is he nice? He's very nice and friendly. He's got a nice what? I think it's nice smile, right? Okay, and now let's listen and we can check our answers.
I've got a new friend. His name's Eric. What does he look like? He's got short brown hair, blue eyes, and he wears glasses. Is he tall or short? He isn't very tall. Is he nice? He's very nice and friendly. He's got a nice smile.
Alright, so I think we check our answers, right? And now I would like you to practice this dialogue. You can read it for 5 times. 可以呀，自己来读一下，或者跟朋友呢一起来表演一下这个对话。And now let's take a look at the next one. Let's see how we can describe people. All right? And let's see. Exercise 1. Complete the dialogue with answers A to D. A. I'm thinking of a famous footballer. 他在说我想到的呢是一个非常有名的足球运动员。那么看他的问题啊，他就问了说 What does he look like? 那这里呢 What does he look like? 表示的是在问的是相貌。Okay, what does he look like? 注意 look like 是不是看上去是什么样的，对不对？ So we can say he is tall and strong and he's got short brown hair and a lovely smile. So this is describing his appearance, right? 这句啊是在描述这个人的相貌。And next one, what's he like? 这也有一个 like, 但是它的问法又不一样了。问的是 what's he like? 是什么呢？他这个人的性格是什么样的？当我在问说 what's he like? 不是说在问喜欢什么，而是在问这个人的性格是什么样呢？ So we can say he's really nice. 这个人很好。Is he British? We can say yes, he is. Is it Gareth Bale? We can say yes, it is. 那有的同学就问啦，那为什么我在这里回答的是 yes, he is, 但是我要在这里回答的是 yes, it is 呢？ Alright, 好，我们可以来说一说。那在这里呢，他在问这个人是不是英国人，对不对？那么我们可以用 he is 来去形容。那但是呢，我们在最后是要猜测这个人到底是谁的，对不对？我们也不知道这个人到底是谁，所以我们就会用 it 来去指代。Alright, 所以就说 Is it Gareth Bale? Okay? And now, let's see how we can describe people. 我们看看怎么样去用它来去描述一个人。首先我们可以说 What does he look like? 用来问他的外貌。Alright? 那我们回答的话是不是可以说 He's tall or short? 他的高矮胖瘦，或者是什么样的发色，或者是什么样的眼睛的颜色 right? So we can say he's tall and strong and he's got brown hair and lovely smile. 这都是在描述的是他的外形是什么样的。我们可以说 What's he like? 那这个就在问的是人的性格。那我可以说 He's nice. Okay? Or 我们可以说 He's really nice. Or he's very friendly.Okay, 所以这两个句子问的东西是不一样的。Alright, and now you can play the game with your partner. And first you can think of a famous person. And then you can use some clues. And he or she, your partners, will ask the questions. And later they will guess the answers. Okay? 那我们现在呢就可以跟你的朋友来去玩这个游戏了。你可以想出来一个名人，然后呢让另外一个人去猜。比如说这个人可以问他的外貌是什么样的，他的性格是什么样的，之后呢看看能不能